Welcome to Preyo Promo, where you learn simple tech tricks to make your presentation smarter and more engaging. Want to make your Google Slides presentation more engaging with background music? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add music from YouTube to Google Slides quickly and easily. Step 1. Insert a YouTube video. Open your Google Slides presentation, then click Insert from the top menu and choose Video. Paste the YouTube video link into the search box, select the video, and press Select to add it to the slide. Step 2. Position the video on the slide. After inserting the video, resize it or move it to a corner so it doesn't cover your slide content. Click the video and open Format options on the right side to access playback settings. If this tutorial is helpful, subscribe to Preyo Promo for more quick and practical tech guides. Step 3. Set video start and end time. Inside the Format options panel, locate the Start at and End at time settings. Adjust these times to play only the specific music portion you want from the YouTube video. Step 4. Control video playback. You can choose play automatically if you want the music to start when the slide appears. Alternatively, set it to play on click so the music begins only when you manually start it. Step 5. Mute the video if needed. If you only need the video visually, enable the mute audio option in the video settings. This helps prevent unnecessary sound distractions during your presentation. And that's how you can add music to Google Slides using a YouTube video in just a few steps. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more powerful tech tutorials.